Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook an egg healthy. Eggs are a fantastic source of protein and essential nutrients, offering about 6 grams of protein per large egg. Learning to prepare them healthily means enjoying all their benefits without unnecessary additions. We'll explore simple techniques to make your egg dishes both delicious and incredibly good for you, ensuring a nutritious start to any day. When it comes to healthy egg preparation, boiling and poaching are excellent choices, as they use zero added fats. For scrambled eggs, use just 1 teaspoon of a healthy oil like olive oil or a non-stick spray. You can also bake eggs in the oven. Simply crack them into muffin tins with your favorite veggies for a quick, protein-packed breakfast or snack, ready in about 15 minutes. To elevate the nutritional value of your egg dishes, consider what you add. Incorporate a generous half cup of colorful vegetables such as spinach, bell peppers, or onions into your omelets or scrambles. These additions provide essential vitamins and fiber. For a complete meal, pair your eggs with a slice of whole grain toast or a small bowl of berries, ensuring a balanced intake of nutrients. To truly maximize the health benefits of eggs, always cook them thoroughly to a temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Proper cooking ensures food safety and helps your body absorb all the wonderful nutrients. Remember to store eggs in their carton in the main part of your refrigerator, where they can stay fresh for up to 5 weeks. Eggs are versatile. Enjoy them at any meal, not just for breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.